Hey guys, this is Alan here with Propspeed. We are at the Grand Banks Marine Group North American headquarters, and today we're going to do a training with them. Everything from what is in the kit to the application itself. We have a great team here and we look forward to you sticking around with us. Hey guys, I'm Alan Ferland with Propspeed. As you guys know, we're here at the Grand Banks Marine Group in Stuart, Florida. We're going to teach the guys here today the new application method. These guys here do a fantastic job for us. They bring all the boats to the United States and apply Propspeed here. But today, mostly we're talking about our new application process. Generally, what we start with today is going to be kind of what's in the box. What you guys use more than anything is a large kit of Propspeed. This is kind of what your guys' life revolves around more than anything. Inside this box is 4 prop clean wipes, 2 prop prep wipes, 2 etch primers and hardeners, and 1 large clear. And we're gonna go through why we're using it, what the steps are important for it, and why we're gonna be applying it. To start though, more than anything, we're prepping the surface. As you guys know, we recommend 80 grit sandpaper. The other way to go about it, which I think you guys have seen this a little bit, is strip speed. We came out with it a couple of years ago. Again, it takes the Propspeed off really quickly, about 15 to 20 minutes to scrape it all off. At the end of the day though, we still need to make sure there's no oxidation, so we ask to lightly sand it. The next is we're just cleaning the surface. This is a cheap, easy, clean way to do it. Our prop clean wipe is just denatured alcohol. You're more than welcome to use denatured alcohol or use the wipe. Next is a prop prep wipe. That's the second part of the kit. Again, you guys can use the wipe or you can buy it actually at 500 milliliters at a time. And what that's doing is prepping the surface at a micro level. The one thing we do ask though is when you put this on, make sure you do wipe it off before it dries. It does leave a white phosphate at the end if you leave it on. The Propspeed only as good as that adhesion. So if it's sitting on top of that residue and that residue lets go, what's gonna happen is the whole Propspeed system lets go. From there, we are gonna go do the etch primer. So as you guys know, this has a hot life of 6 hours once you put the hardener in. But until you put the hardener in, it doesn't matter. You can put it back on the shelf, it won't matter. What's very important with this, which I know it's time consuming for you guys, is the bottom half quarter here has all the solids in it. We wanna make sure and use this the black mixer right here and break all the solids up. If you don't, you put it just in a shaker or put it on a wheel, it will just strip it or it won't actually mix it up. So this is a very, very important process to it. From there, we are going to add the hardener. And once you add the hardener, you have 6 hours to apply Propspeed. It doesn't matter if you do it in 8 hours, what's gonna happen is it'll look the same, the color will look the same. What happens is the adhesion level is gone and the Propspeed will fall off later. From there, we do 2 coats of that and you can actually brush that on. You can roll that on, or what we're gonna talk about today is the new roller application method. We've got an application kit that comes with the roller frame, 2 rollers and 2 trays. And we also have a 10-pack of rollers for the boatyard side. And from there, we're gonna go on to the clear. There's only 1 coat of clear goes on, so 1-piece clear. The most important thing that we're gonna do today though is we're gonna start rolling the clear. Traditionally for the last 24, 25 years, we've been doing a brush technique on that. And no longer we don't have to do that. We have a new method from about a year ago that will save you guys a ton of time. This is gonna allow us to roll the clear and roll etch and save the whole team time. We will get the guys set up and geared up and we'll start painting on the boat. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out with us today at the Grand Banks Marine Group. We had a great time, got the guys all trained up. They did a fantastic job as always. We look forward to seeing you guys again. Thank you.